Hi, welcome to Find a Pick. Today we are going to attack this made in China. There are three peaks on the front, the logo. This plate is a brass padlock coated, who knows what kind of coating, I haven't got that far yet. Says Hardened on it, shackle, it's a 6mm shackle. The lock is 31 mils. Let's see if we can open this thing up today. Stay tuned, be right back. Right, let's see what we can do. If we look at the keyway, it's kind of restricted, kind of small. Let's see what we can put in there to open it. Let's try this tensioner. We're going to decide what hook we're going to use. Let's try this hook, and locked up again. I don't have a key, so we kind of flying blind here. Come on, focus a little bit. Sorry, our lights are bad. I need to get other lighting in here. The 3-pinner. Okay, I just have mush. I have looks like I actually had something. Well, I couldn't feel it. Something on 3, 2 is loose. One is nothing. Three is nothing. No, 2 is nothing. I think maybe I overset something. Maybe we overset something. Let's take the tension off. Let's look for something that's a little less of a hook. Let's try this slide hook. Let's see if we can be successful. For this, let's try no, I have nothing. Absolutely there's nothing in here. Let's try this change of tensioner. Let's see if we can focus. Sorry guys, this is really a bad one. Everything's fighting me today. Still locked up. Nothing on one. There was 2. Go back to 1. 1 is loose. 3 is loose. 2 is loose. And 1 is loose. Try the back, 3. I don't think I've overset anything because everything's moving. Just Just can't get. It's definitely something. We had a false set there. I don't think there's a security pin. It's just a little thing. I don't believe it to be a pin in such a little thing. For a security pin. Okay, that's 1, 2. Really struggling with this lock. I've been miss and go affair of it's a love-hate relationship. I've picked it sometimes and sometimes not. Sometimes I do. I just can't. No. I'll have to keep trying, guys. Sorry, yeah, person lives in hope and dies in despair. So, any pointers? Guys, want to give a comment below there and suggest what I should use possibly to pick it? I'd appreciate it. But this lock bust me. Chinese pick, can't pick Chinese lock. Well, stay tuned. Other one's coming soon. I think we're gonna pick this Fort Knox next. No, we're going to pick we'll pick something. I think it's going to be the 50mm master lock. We picked this last week. 50mm master lock. We'll have a go at that and see if we can crack it. Stay tuned. Thanks for the follow, thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments. I do appreciate it.